Find the modulus of this one. 2 marks question. So, and then which is greater, sin 32 or cos 32? So for this one, what you have to do, don't multiply this, then simplify. Do one thing, whole mod means mod of this, mod of this, mod of this, mod of this, mod of this. This one you have to do. So modulus of ক্যালকুলেটরে দেখলে হবে না, তাহলে তো সবাই পারবে। ক্যালকুলেটরে দেখার জন্য কি দিয়েছে? ক্যালকুলেটর ছাড়া তোমাকে বলতে হবে যে হুইচ ইজ গ্রেটার, sin 32 অর cos 32।
আরে না না না, ওইটা না, এইটা
ওটা তো ওটা ওরকমই থাকবে, জাস্ট ওরকমই থাকবে। নাও খুব জোর নিচে রুটটা সরানোর জন্য কিছু করতে পারো, রেশনালাইজ, আর কিছু না। সো নাও উই নো দেয়ার ইজ আ প্রপার্টি ইন কমপ্লেক্স নাম্বার দ্যাট z1 z2 z3 by z4 z5, if there is whole mod, then that you can write at mod z1, ওটা আমি চেক করে নিচ্ছি, তুমি পরেরটা করো, mod z2 mod z3 by mod z4 by mod z5, इंडिविजुअल mod हो जाएगा। सो ओवर हियर mod of mod 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 mod, ভ্যালু দেখে হবে না।
না না না, একটা ফর্মুলা ফর্মে একটা কি ছিল
না, ওর মধ্যে 32 নেই,
16 ছিল,
36 ছিল, 18 ছিল, ওটা দিয়ে হবে না, নর্মাল বুদ্ধি দিয়ে হবে।
আচ্ছা,
খুব জোর কার্ভটা ফলো করো, সাইনের কার্ভটা ফলো করো, তাহলেই হবে।
মানে 180 90 এর
সাইনের কার্ভটা হয় না, যেমন করে সাইন কার্ভ, সেটা ফলো করো, বা যখন যত রকমের বুদ্ধি আছে খাটাও, না হলে আমি বলছি সোজা খুব ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল। Now we know mod formula is what? Mod of x plus iy is square root of x square plus y square. If there is minus, then also plus. So over here this will be cos টাকে সাইনে করে নাও, তারপরে ভাবো। For this 3 square means 9 plus 4 square means 16, 2 square means 4, always plus, root 5 square means 5, 2 square means 4, root 6 square means 6, always plus, 3 square means 9, 2 root 5 whole square means 2 to the 4 plus 5, 20. So that would be root 10, root 25, root 9, root 10, root 29. This is 5 and 3, 15. Answer is 15 by root 29. Answer is 15 by root 29. So required modulus is this one. Let's check it once more. No, wait. ভুল আছে
না, আমি 1 plus 3 ওটা 2 করে দিয়েছি।
ওকে,
কি আছে আপনার
আসছে 15 by root 29. Fine. Our next question, which is greater, sin 32 or cos 32? Cos 32 means by complementary angle formula we know sin 90 minus 32, right? That means sin 58 degree. Now what about cos curve? Cos function is like this. And so on. So, and this is 90 degree, this is 0 degree. So 0 to 9 sin function is increasing. So obviously sin 32 and sin 58, sin 58 will be greater. This one is sin 58, because see, this is 558, this is 32. So sin 58 greater than sin 32. So we should write sin function is increasing in 0 to 90 degree. So sin 58 is greater than sin 32. So cos 32 is greater than sin 32. So which is greater? Cos 32 is greater. Done. Our next question, cos x plus cos y equal to 1/3 and sin x plus sin y equal to 1/4. Then prove that this equal to 3/4 and cos square this equal to this. So what to do? So just use formula for this and then divide or add square of these two. Cos x plus cos y, 2 cos by formula of transformation of sums and product, and this one 2 sin cos. Now if you divide these two,
স্যার
বল
একটা গন্ডগোল হচ্ছে।
কি গন্ডগোল হচ্ছে?
আমি যদি এই ফর্মুলাটা ফেলি এরকম করে অনেক কিছু হয়ে যাবে।
না দারুণ হচ্ছে, দুটো থেকে কমন চলে যাবে একটা জিনিস। ভাঙো ওটাকে 4 টাইমস এরকম করো। নাও ডিভাইড 1/2. You need what? You need tan. So divide 2/1. This by this. By this one. So sin by cos means tan, and this one if you multiply by 12, so 3/4. One answer you got. Now second part, you need what? We need to prove cos square x minus y by 2 equal to 7/576. See, if you square these two, so this will be 4 cos square, 4 sin square cos square. So there is cos square common. If you take this inside parenthesis, you will have cos square plus sin square, which is 1. So maybe you will get cos square x minus y by 2, this one. So what to do now? Whole square plus number 2 whole square. So number 1 whole square is 4 cos square x plus y by 2, this whole square, plus again 4 sin cos. So equal to 1/3 whole square plus 1/4 whole square.
স্যার হচ্ছে না, একটু গন্ডগোল আছে অঙ্কটা।
দেখছি আমিও করছি। সো 4 cos square x minus y by 2 কমন নিয়েছো? কমন
আর একটু অন্যই আসছে, আলাদা।
কই, আমার তো বিন্দাস আসছে।
হ্যাঁ
এদিকে 4 আছে তো লেফট সাইডে তোমার। ও আচ্ছা, ফাইনাল আনসারটা কি জানি, সেটা হতে পারে, জানি না, দেখছি।
পুরো দেখো, ওটা হচ্ছে ওপরটা 25, 16 প্লাস
দেখছি
9।
হ্যাঁ, এটা 25/9 into 16,
144।
সো 25 বাই অ্যাকচুয়ালি
একটু প্রশ্নটাই ভুল হয়ে গেছে।
ইয়েস, you are right. So cos square x minus y by 2 will be 25/576. So that question is wrong, right? 25 by hobe, correct? Yes, there is some mistake, so that should be 25. Okay, this should be 25. Two answers are this one and this one. Next question, RB relation is defined by this: natural number, find domain, range, codomain. So from this 5a equal to 15 minus 3b, a equal to 15 minus 3b by 5, so 3 minus 3 by 5 b. Now a and b, if you take multiple of 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15 like this in place of b, then if you put 5, 5 5 get cut, 3 minus 3 0, 10, 5 2 is 10, 3 is 6 minus 3, 15, 5 2 is 15, 3 9 minus 6. But these are not natural numbers. This does not belong to natural numbers, so you cannot take all this. That means this will not have any ordered pair in this relation. Okay, if we do 3b, 15 minus 5a, so b now if you take a equal to 3, a equal to 3, 3 3 get cut, that would be 0, a equal to 6, 6 5 is 30, 5 minus 30 means minus 25. These do not belong to natural number, so R will not have any ordered pair. That means domain is nothing, empty set, that means like this. Range is empty set and codomain is natural number, because that was given in the question. Okay, next question, find domain and range of this function. Find domain and range. See, domain means values of x for which this is defined. Undefined or avoidable forms are 0 by 0, anything by 0, square root of negative, okay, log 0, log negative. These are avoidable forms. Okay, so over here this will be defined if ওই জন্য তুমি পারছো না, 4 minus x greater than equal to 0. দেখো, domain means values of x for which function of x defines, and these are the undefined forms or avoidable forms. So function of x is defined, values of x, that will be domain. So over here this will be defined if this part is greater than equal to 0, because root 0 is 0, root 0 is 0 defined, and positive then defined, but it cannot be negative, correct? Negative होने से तो imaginary हो जाएगा. So that means minus x greater than equal to minus 4, and if you multiply with negative sign, this inequality sign will change, plus 4. This one you can write as, therefore domain is x belongs to negative infinity comma 4 closed bracket, okay, and x belongs to all real numbers. Done. This is domain. So domain is done. X is here independent variable. Now what about range? Range means values of this one, means y, for which x is defined. So, and remember one thing, square root sign means, that means always non-negative values. Square root থাকলেই non-negative. So as you have square root, means f of x you can write as y, 4 minus x. So as there is square root, that means y must be greater than 0, greater than equal to 0, okay. But after this, maybe less than something, greater than 0 but maybe less than something. So that's why what you have to do, from this equation you get x equal to something, that means square, then take x this side, x is 4 minus y square. Now factor, as you know, a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b, okay. So that is x equal to this one. So y could be anything, because See, it was given x less than equal to 4. X less than equal to 4. From this part only, without doing this, we can say any value of y we can take. Suppose you are taking more than 4, some value more than 4, then x becomes negative 4 minus 8, 4 minus 10, 4 minus 12, so it becomes negative, but not problem because x could be negative. See, minus infinity to 4, so no problem. That means any value of y you can take, but as y had square root form, so y greater than 0 hona chahiye, that's why range is y greater than equal to 0. Our next question is from set operations. So draw Venn diagram, then plot the numbers. This is from set operations. N of A, N of B, these are given. So draw Venn diagram for this type of sums. A big rectangle and two overlapping circles. This is set A, set B. Now fill up. See, N of A intersection B is given. Always start from center if possible. So this intersection means common part, that is 8. Next, N of A is 48. N of A, this whole thing is 48. So 8 already written, so 40 will be there. Similarly, N of B is 60 is given. This whole thing is 60, so this would be 52. What else? You need to find P of N of A union B. A union B means this whole thing, these two circles, okay? So N of A union B formula, N of A, if we do it formula, then we have to write this one. Otherwise we can simply add these 3, then N of A union B will get. So N of A means 48, it was given. N of B 60 was given. N of A intersection B 8 was given. So 40 plus 60 is 100. And also see, if you add 40 plus 8 plus 52, then also it is 100. Both of these are same. And second part, N of A intersection B dash, what does it mean? P of A dash A intersection B means N of A only, A but not B, A only, that means which one? 40. See, A only means this area, A only, so 40. So what about N of B only? Actually B only you can write this way, not A but B. So which one? See this picture, B only, this one, this one, this one, B only, this one, so 52.
Trigonometric.
If tan x is 3 by 4 and x is in third quadrant, find all other trigonometric ratios. Okay, so tan x is 3 by 4 given and x is in third quadrant. ASTC rule, that means tan positive, cot positive, but all others negative. So shortcut method, draw right angle triangle. Tan is given. Tan means we know perpendicular by base or opposite by adjacent, 3 by 4. So by Pythagorean theorem this will be 5, right? Because 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square. Pythagorean theorem.
That's a very good.
Okay, now whatever you like you can find. Now all the sides are given now. So sin x means what? This angle is x. Sin x means opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite means perpendicular. So 3 by 5, but one negative will come because this is in third quadrant, sin negative. So sin is given, that means cosec x will be reciprocal of this, minus 5 by 3. Now cos x means base by hypotenuse, 4 by 5, this will also be negative because in third quadrant. So secant x is negative of 5 by 4, reciprocal of cos. Cot x will be reciprocal of tan. Tan was given 3 by 4, so that will be 4 by 3 and it's positive. Tan x was given plus 3 by 4. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 6 ratios are known now. Okay, so by this triangle method you can find it very easily. If tan then p by b, if sine then p by h. This way just fill up two sides, find the missing one by using Pythagorean theorem, and then as per quadrant use plus minus sign. If alpha beta are the roots of this equation, then form a quadratic whose roots are this and this. Okay, so alpha beta roots of this, so alpha plus beta is minus b by, and alpha beta is c by a formula. Now to form an equation with these two roots, you have to use another formula. See, alpha plus beta is minus b by a, and this is plus c by a. Now roots of required equation are alpha by beta and beta by alpha as per question. So required equation will be, formula is x square minus sum of roots into x zero. So now roots are alpha by beta and beta by alpha. So to simplify, make both denominators identical. So multiply with alpha beta, alpha square, multiply with beta, beta square by alpha beta. This one is 1. Now multiply alpha beta to each. So alpha beta x square minus alpha square values beta square into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Now use formula for this. We know a square plus b square formula is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now put values minus, alpha beta was c by a, minus b by a whole square minus 2c by a plus c by a. So this will be c by a x square minus b square by a square 2c by a c by a. See, in denominator a square a, so maximum power a square. So multiply this whole thing by a square, then see what is coming. So this by a square means ac, right? So a square into this a square a square a square into a square a. So ac x square, a square square cut b square minus 2 ac, see a into x plus a cut ac. So this is your answer. Okay, ac x square minus b square minus 2ac into x plus ac equal to 0. This will be your quadratic equation which you need. Prove that this equal to 0. Take this one as a and this one as b, this one as a, this one as b. Now use formula for this. A plus b means 240, a plus b by 2 means 120, and a minus b means minus 2x. Or a minus b by 2 is minus x. So now cos x degree and cos a plus cos b, transformation from sums to product. 2 cos a plus b by 2 dot cos a minus b by 2. Cos a plus b by 2 means 120. Cos a minus b by 2 means minus x. Cos 120 means how much? Cos 120 means cos 180 minus 60. So 180 So cos will remain same, cos 60, and 180 minus 60, that means second quadrant, all sine tan cos. So over here sine positive but cos negative, so minus cos 60, and value is from standard table half, so that is minus half. So put it over here, minus half, and cos of minus theta is cos x. Minus will be absorbed. Why? Because minus x clockwise over here, fourth quadrant we know cos positive, ASTC rule, all sine tan cos. That's why this negative will vanish. So cos x decrease, 2 to get cut, this minus, then cos x, which means these two are same. So answer is 0. Proved.